Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session we will understand planning and strategy for the perishable product and seasonal demand. So we are just completing the fourth chapter, sourcing and pricing. Okay, so how we can decide the perishable product pricing and how to source for the such perishable items. We will understand by help of the session. So the perishable products which are that kept in the storage and take the inventory charges. You can say that charges agar to the storage because due to this are the seasonal product that can be demanded at a specific time. Okay, so this kind of product like a fish, fruits, okay, winter cosmetic, fashions, apparel generally exhibit in different demand. There is a specific demand for this product pattern at the various time during the seasonal product and inventory planning must be considered this property for the cost effectiveness and optimization resources. Okay, so such kind of demand need to be maintained in such way that will optimizing the resources and cost effectiveness. Okay, so economic order quantity, number of order to be placed and the time to time place each order should be checked. Okay, so while placing order for such product need to check out time to time that what is the actual demand and what is the inventory cost will occur due to the four different type of problems they may encounters in the practice. Okay, so for this product, such kind of product, there are the four type of problems which may encounter in the practice. So what are these? The first problem: assume a fixed planning horizon and perishable products such Christmas tree and fashions merchandise whose values has deteriorates as the item gets aged. Okay, so just like if we store some product like a Christmas tree in the Christmas festival. Okay, so we need to store first that may occur the charges. Okay, and product will get aged. Okay, so under this constant demand of assumption, the solution for this type of product is to capture the determine in the value by increasing holding cost. Okay, so product is kept and already invest on the uh, charges on that product, and now this is taking space in the inventory. So the inventory cost will also be added on that because that space taking. Holding price or exchange rate fixed over some time period is called pegging. Sometimes these things can be pegged, like a exchange rate can be pegged and the holding price can be pegged. So this process is called the pegging system. Okay. So here you need to understand that product which is not selling uh, frequently. In such case, we need to understand that what is the actual demand. For that, we have to order such product by checking out point time to time that will not affect our inventory cost. The second problem is the similar to the first. Okay, so the second problem is also the same, except that the demand is assumed to increase as time proceed. Okay, the second problem is the same, but that in this difference is only the demand is assumed to increase as time proceed. As per time, okay, demand will assume. Now, third problem allow to a specific number of integer order during the planning of horizon. Okay, so such problem also occur that key the at the planning time we can specific number of orders can be considered. Okay, now fourth problem allow to ordering costs to increase as time progress. Okay, so fourth problem allow to ordering cost increase as time progress. When you order that the price of costing of that product will increase as per the time passing. Now, warehousing refer to the activity involved storage of the goods on a large scale in a systematic, orderly manner and making them available conventionally when needed. Okay, so the warehouse activities to storing the goods and that supply the product when it's demanded. Okay, so this is very important activities which involve the storage of the goods. Okay, it can be manage all order and it will help to manage the things. It refer to holding a preserving goods in huge quantity for the time to their purchasing till their actual or sell. Okay, it refer holding preserving goods in a specific quantity, the time their purchasing a production till their actual use. So it's things is coming focus on that storing charges, storing space taking charges. Okay, so when we order it and we don't know that what is the selling time of that product. So the difference between buying and selling is the taking space by the inventory. Okay, now warehousing arising due to the following reasons. Warehousing, why need warehousing? Okay, so seasonal product of the goods. Okay, seasonal product it can be demanded at the seasonal time. Okay, so we need warehousing for this process. Okay, then seasonal demand. Okay, seasonal product of the good or seasonal demand. Okay. Now large scale productions. If the production is large scale, then need a storage process because that we cannot hold without warehousing large quantity of the productions. Okay. Quick supply. For the quick supply, if you receive any quickly order, then you need to supply. So for that warehousing is very important. Continuously production is also part of the warehousing and price stabilization. Finally, the price stabilization is the demanded and supply. When demand is increased, then the supply need to maintain. If supply is not, then the factor occurs which called the inflations. Price stabilization process is controlled by warehousing. If you have level the inventory, then you can supply it any time of the moment. So you can manage this process by price stabilization process, which is comes under the warehousing process. So guys, I hope you have tried to understand some important things by help of this chapter. Okay, so the topic is very important and you need to understand the things. Okay, for the more video and knowledge, you can go to the playlist for that the better understanding, more specific knowledge for the subject wise. Okay, so guys, this is thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.